Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add connectors in Bambu Studio. Now the way to do this is to first cut your model into pieces. Now in my case I have this simple rectangle shape right here, so I'll just click on it, and then of course we want to navigate through the cut function. Now to make things easier, I'll just go ahead and cut it on the middle, but of course you can adjust this to whatever you want to. Now to add your connectors, you simply want to click on the add connector button. And in here, we have the ability to edit out its style, shape, depth ratio, size, and more. Now, in my case, the best shape for the connector is going to be hexagon. And of course, you then want to click on a specific part of the shape on where you want to add your connector. So let's just select on the middle part right here. You then want to edit out your depth ratio. And of course, you then also want to edit out your size. Now, if we click on the confirm connector, click on perform cut, it will then cut the pieces, or it will then cut the model into two pieces. But as you can see, we have applied the connector onto our model right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.